How you doing? This is Ulurin Gaming from server 773, and today I'm gonna upgrade my drone components to level 9. As you can see, we have left side like 99%, 89%, 91%, and I just need 1%. Then it will be like progress up to 100, and then we're gonna get reduced chance of taking critical hits by 0.50% extra. We're gonna get drone HP plus, and let's see what else we get in like turbo engine and external armor research. So it's VS day, as we have age of science. We're gonna get points for drone component chest opening. So let's open it and let's see how we can upgrade level 9 up to level 9 at least one component. So I'm just gonna open all these boxes, and let's open this, and let's see in alliance center. We can have this, and we can buy from here, and let's open them all, and it's done. So now I can upgrade level 8 to level 9 at least. The radar research will be upgraded to level 9 from level 8. So let's quick add those components and research, and it's added 23k power. As you can see, our drone HP has been increased, and critical hits uh, is also upgraded. I mean, reduced chances of taking critical hits also increased. And let's do for turbo engine research. Let's see if we can add some percentage in here. It's like 2%, I guess, but it's adding 78k. That's not bad. And here we're gonna get progress for external armor research from 91% to 94, and it also added 39k power. And thermal imager research 1% up by 1284, and full cell research also gonna be like 20% to 21%. It added 6k. And airborne missile research, which is very important for hero damage and hero attack boost, so it's adding 2% and 1338. So not that bad, but you can see my first component is now upgraded to level 9, and now it will be needed to upgrade or progress from level 9 to level 10. And you can see on each progress we're gonna get reduced chances of taking critical hits by 0.10%, and on 100 we're gonna get 0.40% as usual. So that's it. I just wanted to upgrade my tactical drone, and it's now started to come at least till level 9. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this content helpful, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more last walk content.